This is Jaman from Future Division. Today I'll be showing you guys about array, how to use Java array in the Selenium in real life experience. So previously I did not show it, so lots of people are asking me for that. So let's do it, guys. Uh, so I have already have my project earlier, and I have a catalog page, and I have a project from earlier. So now let's this is our this is our uh, project. This is our application I use for our project. So now we have to find out where we can use the array. We can use the array everywhere if you want, but question, what is the useful? So now example, you want to see the list of text is visible or not. Am I right? Or list of text is available or not. So for that you need array. What is the array? You have to understand what is the array first. Hopefully you guys understand what is the array first. So if you don't know, let's give you example. Example I'm showing here, guys. Okay, I'm just comment or writing. So now I have uh, array index start with 0. Remember, array is text index start with 0. So now if I say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, and then I put in the pipe because I want to make separate, looks more 2 3 4 and 5. So I want to not know much. Okay, so now I have one line, and now if I go to the second line, so this 0 value what represent what? So now in index of the 0 is start with 1, and then 2, then now we have 3, now we have 4, now we have 5. Okay, now 6. This see what is the difference? So this is the array. This is the array which is start with index which is 0. 0 represent 1, 1 represent here 2, 2 represent here 3, 3 represent here 4, 4 represent here 5, 5 represent here 6. So as we know, I think you guys know the basic array things. So now we have to use the array. So let's find out. So now let's see anything over here. No. So as so for my understanding, if I close the omen, here, okay, I think we can find the array somewhere. Okay, so now over here you have sort by. If you click here, there is have price, there is the highest, or in this is a list. How do you know this is a list? So now let's go in inspect element. Let me show you guys in inspect element. So now over here on the right side, if you guys see, if I open this sort, click, boom, over here have bunch of stuff under the sort. Okay, so now this we can, if we want to verify, example, if we want to verify those are exist or not, you don't have to verify one by one. You can verify within one call. Use the array. Now what you're gonna do for that, we don't need anything. We just need over here, sorry, we need here one things which is called XPath. So this XPath had, what is this? I can use the ID. Okay, so I'm going to use the ID. For now I'm going to taking the ID this. So now I'm calling, and I have existing test case which is the Omen catalog displayed. I'm going to add home place home catalog. I have this button, click and mouse over, which is already there. So I know I just need to add some things. So now what we can do, so let's add here somewhere driver, just keep for now driver dot find element by id. What is that? I find out this. Okay, cool, done. We just keep here, not done yet, guys. Sorry. So now let's create a one method. So I say public void main method should be create the name. I give the name array. So for using for array list for multiple purposes, array, I give the array list, okay, for reusable purpose. So now I have method array. Cool. I have method array. Now we have to declare, if you want to use the array, we need to declare the array. So example, if you want to declare array, this is those are list bunch of. So I'm gonna use the array list, okay guys. So for that, what do you have to do? You're gonna say list. Okay, you see like that. So close this, and now what you want? You need a for web element. What you want to get from the list? We want to get the web element, okay? For those, if you want to get those, you need a web element. So you're gonna say web element, cool. Then you have to get a object for that. So you're gonna say web element, sorry, then you're gonna say element. So your element you done here, and you declare the list. So now you can say equal, you can say web element, okay, I can say list. I want to get the list, okay, list equal element, okay, element. So now this element, we're gonna see the error because we did not declare this element. So what we gonna do? Cool, we can do here again same things. We're gonna create a list for element. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna say list, and then cool, and then you declare web element. After that, you said here, sorry, element, cool. So now this element, okay, and this web element is the list of the element, okay. So we not properly directly here web element because we want to reuse this method for future purpose. So we call our list array. So now how you have to use this array? For that, what you're going to do, we need all the list by 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this is a loop. We have to declare this. We have to declare until what you want to see, okay. So now for that, what you have to do, you have to create a object. So now I'm gonna say it over here, list string, cool, and then I said another variable, this is the text, am I right? All the text or all the value, all the value, okay. Might be in future, now is text, might be in future in the number. So I say all the value in text or string, whatever I want to get. So now I say list string all the value, then equal new array list, okay. Say equal new array list, all the value equal new array list. So now cool. So now let's put in the loop, so it will be iterate the all the value. So say for int I equal 0. So remember the Java start from the integer start from 0, okay. So now I did that, then I say I less than, okay, I less than list, am I right? This list, okay, I less than this list, I less than list, because what is this list? This is the element. So what is my element? This is my element, and I want whatever I have from there is a 0. So I less than list, then I say dot size, I want size, okay, and close the statement over here. Then I said I plus plus, I did it. Okay, cool. So I have done here. So now the loops done. So now what do you want to do? You want to see the value. You want to print out all those value. How's it work? So now you're gonna say all the value, cool, all the value dot, first we need a add, then we're gonna say list dot, we want to text, get text, get text, get text, no, get list, okay, so get, what is that, get, okay, get, sorry, get, I want I, okay, I want I, what is the basically my will return my number, okay. So I say I, then, and I say dot get text, okay, cool. Now that got text, cool. And now I close the statement here, oh sorry, close the statement here. Now we have to print out that. So for that we have to see how it works, correspondent. So we want to get all this. So I can say all the value dot get I. So we want to get all the value. So get test. Why is not working? Is it get? Should be get one, the get text. It should work. And the value dot get, then I said dot get text. Why is not working? So let's see over here, all the value. So let's copy this. So forgot about that. Let's copy it. I don't know what's the problem. About the problem. Okay, cool. So now we print out all those value. So again, explaining what is this. So we create an array list, which is the list which for web element which is already we copy in here. We're gonna use it later, guys. So now web element, then I say list all the value, create another object all the value, and we create the for array list for another object. So now we say int I equal 0, int I less than list. What is the list? This is the less than list dot size. Of course, this is the list size, which is the 0, and I plus plus. So all the value list, now adding all the value list, all the value which is the array list dot add, and list dot get size. So I want for element the get size. Okay, so now let's see guys how to use this one. So I'm going to use this one inside this. I'm going to use this one inside this. This cool. So now we need to put this asking for web element. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, guys, I'm going to copy this, and we don't need to use anymore over there. I'm going to copy this. What is the problem here? What is the problem is going on here? So select product. Selenium element. Something wrong going on here. So array list. Catalog page. Why? I don't know what's going on. They're saying here Java utils list. Okay, I think I find a mistakes. So elements, okay, in array, remember that we use more than one to find out. It should be elements, okay, it's not element. So that's my mistake. Array list driver dot find elements by id. So in array you cannot use the element as a elements as a find element. Okay, so now if this test I already have here, home catalog page test. So now nothing have to change, and I'm gonna go run this test. So which is already have my regression XML. I already commented some test. I want to run the only test, and let's see what happens. Let's run this test. I expecting that all this value should be printed out in my page. Okay, what's going on? It's running. Cool. So now our one test is the pass. Okay, so let's see, should be, we are expecting those value should be printed out. Those value means these value should be printed out somewhere in our. So now let's see, guys. True. What is the true? Oh man, verify catalog display. Okay, let's see, run this again. I want to see what's going on. Okay, one test pass. So look like this is, look like is not printing out. I have to take a look why is not printing out. It should be printing out somewhere. So let's take a look our code again. What's going on here? So if I go catalog for home page have array list. Okay, this array list is elements by id. Okay, good product. And if you go inside the array list, if I said inside the array list have array list web element, then I said list web element Let's see, change as a list. Okay, yes, element list. Element list. I just want to like not list also have in Java some convention, so I'm changing. So I said element list element. So now then I call list string all the value good equal new array list. Cool. Now I say for int I equal 0, then I say I element list dot size, then I say I plus plus. Okay, then I say all the value dot add element list dot get I dot get text. Cool. System out println all the value element dot get elements element list dot get I and get text. System out println my list. Okay, system out println all the value. That is my bat. It should be here. This should be here is actually element list. Okay, this is my bed element list, and I say dot get I actually no need these things, my bad. So oh, okay, and we no need this maybe. Cool. So basically I need element list. Okay, not all the element, all the element value I already add here, so we know it. So let's run the test again. Hopefully this time you will be get all the result. Clicking the dress one past. Okay, cool. So now let's see guys. Okay, so we get price, all the things whatever in is here, whatever content under this list, whatever contents under this list. Okay, we got this in here. So now you see guys how we can use array in your code for Selenium for Java. If you want to, in the question in interview or somewhere they ask you how you print out bunch of list, or how you can use see the visible or displayed or not in website list of data. So you can say that you can use the array for that kind of testing purpose. So that's it guys today. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon.